Hi guys, welcome to this lecture. From this very lecture, I'm going to start teaching you Ajax. So first of all, what's the Ajax? Ajax is just a simple function. You can say that it is a function, it is a part of the JavaScript. It is just a small thing that is used to do the things without page refreshing. Like here, this is my ID for Jyotri, and through this ID I'm connected with you. And now here you can see that when I will post the status, like here, so this is the random status. So when I post it here, when I click on the post, so here you can see that this status is post, but the page is not loaded, it is directly post. And if I comment on it like this, here you can see that this is the comment, so it is directly post on it. Here you see that there is no page is refreshing. So the Ajax is simple thing. By using the Ajax, we can do the things without refreshing the page. Like here, we can like it, we can unlike it, and without refreshing the page. So this is the Ajax. Here we can delete it without the page refreshing. This is the Ajax. Here you can see that there is no page refresh. And so this is the way. This is the Ajax. Here is the Ajax is used, and you can use the Ajax at anywhere. You can use it when the page is loading. You can use wherever you want. And sometimes the messages are coming. So how the messages are coming? Because we use the Ajax, so that's why the page is not refreshed when the message coming. So now I'm going to teach you this Ajax. And first of all, first thing that we need for the Ajax is we need a local host, or we can say that we need a local server. So for this, I am using the xampp. So here is xampp. First of all, we need to download the xampp. Ajax is awesome thing. This is the first website that is offering the xampp freely. Apache Friends, its name is Apache Friends. And now it is open and load it. So now here is the xampp variants for the window. Here you can see that these are the sizes: 107, 118, 32-bit, and you can download any variant you want. But the variant that I will recommend you is the latest variant, that is here, 7.0. You can download it by clicking on this icon. This is for Windows. Here you can see that in this way you can directly download it, but it takes too much time. But I have already downloaded this software. This is 118 MB. So this is for Windows. And if you are using the Linux, so here is its latest variant. It also have the variant for the 62-bit, so you can use download this variant, or you can download any latest variant, and you can also download this 32-bit. And this is OS X for the Macintosh, and you can download its latest variant from here by clicking on here, and the link is going to appear on the screen. So here you can see that it is start downloading here. So I'm gonna cancel it. So the previous, when I click here, so the IDM is open. The download is start with the IDM when I click here. So you can download it. It is totally free. It is not going to create any problem. You can download it from the Apache Friends. And now I'm going to show you its setup. Here is its setup. Here are my software. So this is its setup. Here I'm going to extra large it, and here is at the end. So this is the xampp, and this is the 32-bit, and this variant I have downloaded it a lot of months ago. So now I have already installed it, and now what you need to do, you just need to double click on it, and then it is start going to install it. So it is easy to install. You just need to click on yes, but what you need to do, you just need to click on yes, 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 and next, next, next. So it is not going to ask you any license key or anything like this. So this is free of cost. And when you download it, so what do you need to do? You just need to go to the local disk C. Here is local disk C. If you install it in the C, so you need to go into the C. If you install it in the D, then you go into D. So then it is installed in the program files. These are the 64-bit, these are the 32-bit. So here you have to search exam, I have installed the xampp in the local disk D. Here is the local disk D. Here is why I have installed the xampp in the D disk, because there is my window in the C disk. So when I format my window, so I don't need to move the xampp. So xampp is already installed. So now you have to go into the xampp like this, the folder, and then you have to go into the ht docs. This is the folder, ht docs. Here I'm going to large its size, so here you can see it. Here is the ht docs folder. Then you have to open it, and then what you need to do, you have to remove all the files that is in it. You have to delete all the files like this. You have to click on delete, and all the files that are placed in it, you have to delete those files. But these files are not those files. These files are these are just my jQuery files, some of the jQuery, and this is a website that I have created, and this is just like WordPress related things. So when you install the localhost, so please delete all the files that are in the ht docs. These are other files, so I'm not gonna delete these files. These are my files, these are not from the xampp. So now what you need to do, here I'm going to create a folder in which I will place my Ajax files, because we need a host, we need this local server xampp to run the Ajax. So now I will place all of my code files in this Ajax folder, and I'm gonna hide these folders. Here is, so you cannot here you cannot confuse with these folders. So now here is in the ht docs, there is only one folder, Ajax, and in this folder I will place all of my files, library, and the JavaScript files. And now I'm going to open the xampp. Here click on xampp control. Here is the xampp control. This you have to click on this, and when you open this xampp, so this screen is going to appear on the screen, and you have to I have started these services already, but when you open this, so it look like this. This is 3.1, but the latest version is 7 point something, so that is the latest one. You have to use that thing. So now when you open the xampp, so this it is look like this. You have to start these two services, start. These two services are to run the Ajax. This Apache is only enough to run the Ajax. This MySQL is for the SQL database like operations, but I will run it. So start these two services and then close it. So now it is running. Here you can see that it is running. These are the two icons, but it will be one. So now your xampp is running. Your xampp is running, and in the ht docs, here you can see that this is the folder. In this folder, we will place our Ajax files. And sometimes here I want this is yellow, or yellow when it is yellow, so it is going to start. So don't worry, if it is yellow it will work, so don't worry. So now in this Ajax folder I will place all of my files and all of my Ajax file that I will create, because we want to do the Ajax, so we have to place those files into the htdocs in the xampp. And because the Ajax work with a host, with a server, so now we have a server xampp host. So now from the very next video I will teach you the Ajax, how I will teach you the first very program of the Ajax. And before this I will teach you the little bit PHP into 1 minute, just how to print the things. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the